Like him, you can make your child go running to the dental clinic and visit the dentist.
Hey, hello, and a very happy morning to all of you. Here you are on my show Monday Mornings with Mansi and my YouTube channel Dr. Mansi Shah, where every Mondays and Thursdays I keep on posting various videos in English and in Hindi for you all which are related to your oral health. So do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe this channel Dr. Mansi Shah. Yesterday there was a patient who visited my clinic. She was a mom and she had a wisdom tooth issue, but the wisdom tooth had to be extracted. After discussing various issues of dental treatment, oral health and all about dental oral health, what happened is she told me that her 2.5-year-old kid had a black hole in the tooth, and that black hole even after brushing does not go. What is to be done? That was her question. I then told her that she can just get her kid in the dental clinic and we can have a basic assessment done, and if it is a cavity we can get a filling done. She was very shocked. She's like, he's just 2.5-year-old. How can I get him here? And even if I get him here, he will cry a lot. Do you parents also have this question? Do you also struggle getting your kid to the dental checkup? When your dentist is telling that immediately after the first tooth eruption, the kid should visit the dental clinic, and you parents are still struggling. You want to give your kid a very best dental first experience and make his dental clinic, dental visit very fun? Then keep watching. So are you also undergoing from this situation? Do you also want to make your kids' dental visit a very blissful and a happy experience? Then watch this video. So coming to our first point of how can you make this visit a very good visit. The thing is, you parents have to keep a positive attitude. Whatever you think, whatever you talk is same inculcated, or it goes to your child. So you should first be very confident, have a positive attitude that yes, my child is going to have the best dental visit. And same words are passed down, or the same thoughts, emotions, feelings are passed down to your kid. So the second point is, whatever you learn or whatever you follow, kids learn from that. The elders' apprehensions are exactly picked up by the kids. So if you express or tell someone a great experience of the dentist, then the child is very happy and excited to visit the dentist. So remember, whenever you're speaking in front of the kids about your dental visit, you always speak good about it. Because your child should not get afraid of the dentist. They should love the dental visit and the dentist. Also, what you can do is, as we all know, whatever we see is first captured by our brain, then whatever we listen is secondly fixed in our brain, and then the third is the talk. So what you have to do is show them some pictures, that white teeth, clean teeth and gums, read some books or audios, listen to some audios with them about the dental clinics and dental visits. The fourth thing that you can do is tell them that there is worm that has been blocked or made a home in his or her teeth. So whenever this home is there, that germ can just go inside in the stomach and cause stomach problems, or they can cause some illness to him. So what is to be done? The whole or the whole of the home of the house of that germ is to be removed. So cleaning of that is to be done. Who can do that? A dentist can do that. Obviously, your parents are good at and great at telling stories. So yes, create some wonderful stories about that germ, that black hole. How about a healthy, white, bright smile? How the people around like kids with white smile and not with a black smile. So it is a no-no for a black smile. So create your own stories, create your own institutions, and just make them be aware of a healthy and happy smile. Also, you can show them the dental staff, the dentist, priorly before visiting to the dentist through their websites or through some photographs of you and your dentist working together, or some children and the dentist working together. So that can help him to be confident that this person whom I am going to visit is very helpful and kind. Also, with the permission of your dentist, obviously all dentists will allow to do this, take your child for a dental tour, dental clinic tour. Make him ready for it. Give him good new clothes, a good cap and a goggle, and tell him that you are going for a picnic at a dental clinic. Tell him that he is going to see various things, meet new people around there. That one visit is just going to be about it. It is going to be a tour of the dental clinic. He is going to be aware of the new sounds, the new people, what things go around in the dental clinic, and that's it. If he likes the place, then in that visit only you can have a checkup or just leave it there, and from the next visit you can plan his checkups, his x-rays. Also tell him how the dentist uncle or the dentist auntie or the didi and the bhaiya can have a photograph or an x-ray, which is an x-ray, shoot for him. How his teeth are going to be seen in a black and white combination on the screen. Also, tell him how the dentist is going to help him or her to have good white teeth, healthy gums, and how that teeth or set of teeth are going to be very helpful for him to chew good food and are important for his growth. All these things you parents feel do not really matter. But yes, each word of you and each positive habit which you are going to inculcate in him, or each positive thought that you are going to inculcate in him, works miracle. Trust me. Also, you can just make him relatable to the sounds, like the sound of the suction. You have to tell him the story of a crow that is going to drink water, whatever germs that are going to collect in his mouth, the suction sucks it. So, with this story, tell him that there is a sound that is produced. So he's even not afraid of the sounds that are going to be produced there. Tell him that there is some air and water that is going to be produced. So all the things that you have experienced with the dentist in a better and a positive way, in a storyful manner, you have to inculcate that experience in him. You also know that kids love to play games. So why not play dentist? Like you girls have kitchen set, boys have cars. Have a dentist set. Play dentist with them. Let them practice the opening and the closing of the mouth. Let them also know that there is going to be a mirror that is going to be used for checking. So you parents can be the dentist and the kid can be your patient. And then the role reversal. So whenever he visits the dentist, he exactly knows what is going to happen to him and he is not afraid. He won't cry. He will happily just jump on, hop on and learn that thing. The next thing is watching the elder brothers and the sisters, or watching the parents doing the treatment. So if you have any of his friends or elder brother whose treatment is going to happen, just carry him along with you. Or if there is a pediatric dentist whom you are going to visit, then there are many kids who are going to be operated. So with the permission of the dentist and the parents, you can make your child sit and watch the dental treatment being done of that other child, his brother or his friends. If that is a positive response, he knows the child who is going to first time sit on that examination chair, he knows that yes, it is very easy and nothing is going to happen to him. So friends, there are many other ways and there are so many other things that you can do. The thing is just a positive good thought that has to be inculcated in him. So just be happy and spread this happiness. Share this video with many of your parents and make all the children around you their first dental visit very fun. Prepare your child for the dental visit also. Like you prepare your child for the first vaccine, first school visit, or all the first of his life. A dental first visit is also equally important. There are so many parents or maybe some elders, teenagers who visit me at the age of 15, 20, 25 maybe, that this is my first time I'm visiting a dental clinic and I've never visited a clinic. I think all my teeth are all right. No friends. Every 6 months, you should definitely visit your dentist. Just have a oral checkup done. You might not know what is hidden between your teeth. Also, when is the first age that you should take your children to the dentist is as soon as he gets his first tooth. So as soon as the first tooth erupts, the dental clinic visits has to start. For kids, at least once a year, and for elders, every 6 months. So that is twice a year. Friends, if you have liked my this video, do definitely share, subscribe and like here below. Comment me if you have more innovative ways and tips and tricks on how can we deal with this kids who are very much cranky, have anxiety and fear and do not really want to visit the dentist. If you have some tips and tricks, I will definitely share it with everyone. So please do comment here right in the comment section below. So stay healthy, stay happy and be all of it.